Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is crucial to download something, to download the updates, and then let's enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to log in right now or create a new account, so sign in. After that, simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and tap on My Apps and Games. Now we have to tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all installed apps, and we have to simply tap on Updates Available to check which we can update. Of course, you can mark all of those apps, or for example, one or two. So let me pick maybe Google Chrome and the Gmail. After marking the apps, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that it will immediately and automatically install them on your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.